If you feel overwhelmed trying to eat healthy, this might be exactly what you need. Dr. Ken Berry talks about a very simple approach: BBB and E: beef, butter, bacon, and eggs. That's it. Now, before you think that sounds way too simple, that's actually the point. Because one of the biggest problems I see, especially with people starting keto, carnivore, or low carb, is overcomplicating everything, tracking everything, measuring everything, second guessing everything, and they end up stuck. And often they're still dealing with cravings from ultra processed foods and sugars. So simplifying your meals like this can help you start to break the cycle. And in real life, what this often looks like is having 1 or 2 meals you can rely on every day. Meals that are high in satiety, high in nutrition, high in protein, with the right amount of fat. And actually, this is the best part, tastes delicious. Because when a meal checks all of those boxes, it becomes very hard to want to snack afterwards. That's when you know your body is finally getting what it needs. Not because you're eating less, but because you're finally eating right. Because for a long time we were told to avoid foods like this, and yet those foods are often the ones that are the most satisfying. So people feel like they're doing something wrong just for wanting them. But what's actually happening is this: when your body finally starts getting the nutrients and energy it needs, it begins to respond more normally. You're not thinking about food all the time. You're not constantly snacking, and you feel more satisfied after meals. Sleep often improves as well. Inflammation starts to come down, and that constant food noise begins to quiet. Now, this doesn't mean this is the only way to eat, but for someone who is feeling overwhelmed, constantly hungry, or struggling to stay consistent, this can be a very powerful place to start. Sometimes the best thing you can do for your health is to simplify, not add more. You don't need a perfect plan, you need a plan you can actually follow. I'll see you tomorrow.